Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional Facebook page directly on your Android phone. So this process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to navigate to the specific menu where Facebook allows you to manage and create new pages. So open your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then here is what you would do. Tap on the menu option at the top right-hand side corner. It should also have a 3-line option. Then just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see your option called Pages, which will also have a flag on it. Click on that. At the very top of this screen, you will see an option called Create. Click on that button, and then you'll see a Get Started option, or a page where you can choose which type of account you want, a personal or a professional. So choose whichever type of account you want. So in this video, we'll go in with the professional one. Choose that and click on Next. Now we need to give your page an identity. This is the most important part. So first, enter your page name. This should be the name of your business, brand, or organization. For example, if you run a food business, you might name it, let's say for example, Sarah's Cooking, or Food Factory, or something like that. And once you add your name, you can just simply click on Next. And after that, you will need to choose a category. Now, this helps people find you in the search result. Now, type in the keywords like food, health, or technology, and select the best options from the list. You can choose up to 3 options. So let's say, for example, if you're going with a food niche, type food and see what type of categories appear in front of you. So let's say, for example, food and drinks, healthy food store, fast food restaurant, and once you've selected your category, just simply tap on Create. After that, it'll be at the final step of your page setup. Over here in this page, you should be able to see your option to add information into your bio, which you can see right over here, like general contact, location, hours, and all the necessary information that you would like to give. Simply enter all of that right over here and fill the information and then click on Next. It is time to make it visually appealing. Over here, you will need 2 images. First, for the big rectangle cover image, and one will be a profile image. Now, you will see that they both have a small camera option, which you can choose. So let's say, for example, for the background cover, if you click on that option, it'll ask you to grant access to your camera roll. Click on Allow. Then click on Allow again, and again click on Allow. Now it'll go to your gallery, so if you want to set any of the photos from your gallery as a cover photo or a profile photo, just simply directly pick that from your gallery. Or if you want to take a live photo, you can choose the camera option at the top right-hand side section, and then just simply click on Allow Access. Again, just simply click on Allow Access, and that should directly open up your camera, as you can see right over here. So it's totally up to you what you want to do, and once you have done that step, you can click on Next. And after that, we are almost there. Facebook will now prompt you to invite friends or contacts through WhatsApp or from your friend list, so you can skip this part if you want to, but if you want traction on your page, you can always invite your closest friends right over here. All you do is simply choose the person you want to invite, check on the box, and click on Next, and the invitation will be sent to them. If you don't want to do it, just simply click on Next, and over here, all you do is just simply enable the notifications on your profile. And if you want marketing emails, you can also enable that option, but I don't want that. And to finish it all, just simply click on Done. And after that, your Facebook page is completed. And now you should be in your newly created Facebook page account, which you can see here, right over here. And you can always switch back to your normal personal account, which you can see right over here. So that's it. You now have a fully set up Facebook page ready to grow your business or community. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.